Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord. This is the left front. The clip's at double speed. You've got a screw behind that where you pull the door closed and a screw at the top where the silver handle is. And that one didn't want to come out. I think I finally got it out, but it was kind of, if you have to, you can drill it out. A lot of times they rust out. And it looks like I am going to drill it out. If you need these, you might check my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. If the video is helpful, go ahead and like it, L-I-K-E. Just like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube. The bracket on this door that screw went into was rusted out completely, so I did not replace it. Take off the side view mirror cover, pop out that little pin right there, that plastic post. Should be able to pull the door off. Might be a wiring harness to unscrew. Remember to plug everything in when you're done. $10mm nut. Back to the Phillips. For what it's worth, Bosch, B-O-S-C-H, Bosch Power Tools. They are the best by far. Indestructible, great customer service. I've used everything over the years and they've been the best. And this is not a paid endorsement. So we're going to bring the glass down far enough to get access to the 10mm bolts. If you find any resistance, if it's a problem, you can cut the metal cables. Don't cut any electrical wires, but you can cut the metal cables. Little WD-40 on the two up and down channels on the side, always a good idea. Makes it slide much more easily. Gotta have a suction cup, $2.99, Harbor Freight Tools. 7 10mm bolts, 3 where the motor is, 4 where the regulator is. Comes right out. Unplug the wiring harness, and there's probably a little clip right there. tightening down all the 10mm bolts. Plugging in the wiring harness. Put the glass down, go ahead and put the 10mm bolts back on. Once again, if this was helpful for you, do me a favor, like the video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask right here on YouTube. I'll try to answer them within a day or so. And the rest of it, I think you can watch on your own. That's really everything to do. I'm going to have an issue here in a few minutes with that bracket. I tried to find another way to secure it. It just wasn't going to. It was rusted out. So I think I put it back in, but I don't think I actually used it to secure a screw into. And I thank you very much for watching. Have a great week.